We have here a cordless glue gun. You can see there's no cords. It'll be easier to do crafts, not have to worry about where the cord is. It's gonna be fast charging. Just plug it in right here to charge it, and then there's an on-off switch right here to turn it on. And it does come with some glue sticks to get you started. So to get it started, I'm going to turn it on. I need to put a glue stick inside it. All you have to do is take it, push it down in, and then it has a little stand, push-up stand, so I can just set it here until it warms up and is ready to use. So now we have a fun little craft to make. We're gonna make a little purse out of a paper plate. There's so many fun things you can use and make with a glue gun. So we're gonna have some fun decorating it and putting it together. So this is really nice to have it cordless. I don't have to worry about the cord, and it's easy because you can have it anywhere, even if you don't have a plug. It's gonna be nice. It can be used up to an hour before you have to charge it again. Might even go longer. And then as soon as this just runs out, I'll just keep adding more glue. And it warmed up really, really quickly, so we're ready to use it. Are we just do a line?
Yeah.
And then hurry and put stuff on. So it has a built-in heat temperature setting, so it has a consistent temperature, so it's not going to have hot and cold times. It will stay even the whole time you use it, which is nice. Has nice heat thermal protection with the around it, so you're not going to burn your hand as you're using it. It's going to be nice to use it. You're going to have nice handle to hold it as well, and it's easy to take places with you because it is cordless. It's nice and small, nice and portable, and very easy to use. So this glue also dries pretty quickly and it hardens really nicely. You can see with the one side she already has finished. It's nice, it's not hot anymore, so it's easy to use. You're not gonna burn yourself, and it's gonna be perfect to do crafts with your kids, and it's really easy to use it.
Can you do a dot there and a dot there?
So it's really nice. It doesn't just constantly drip as it sits. It's not gonna be as messy as other glue guns. So it's gonna be nice and easy to use. Yeah. So this cordless glue gun is really nice, was easy to use. It made making this fun little project a lot easier. I didn't have to worry about the cord getting in the way, knocking things over. It warmed up really quickly. It's easy to hold and use. Was it fun to make it? Mm-hmm. So it was fun to make a fun little craft with my daughter. She made this really pretty purse with all the fun things on it, and the glue is holding nice and strong, and it's really fun to use it.